Space is awesome. It's also full of rocks, big ones, small ones, and everything in between. We call these space rocks asteroids. Sometimes they break off and come crashing towards us. These smaller rocks are called meteoroids. When a meteoroid enters the Earth's atmosphere, it gets superheated. The air around it glows brightly. We call this a meteor or a shooting star. Most meteors burn up completely before they hit the ground. But sometimes, a meteoroid is big enough to survive the fiery trip through the atmosphere. If it hits the ground, we call it a meteorite. These space rocks can tell us a lot about the history of our solar system. 66 million years ago, a giant meteorite slammed into Earth. It was a really bad day for the dinosaurs. The impact caused massive earthquakes, tsunamis, and wildfires. Dust and debris filled the atmosphere, blocking out the sun. This catastrophic event is known as the Chicxulub impact. It wiped out nearly 75% of all plant and animal species on Earth, including the dinosaurs. The impact left behind a giant crater, over 110 miles wide, buried beneath the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. Most meteorites that hit Earth are small and don't cause much damage. They might leave a small crater or break a few windows. Sometimes they even land in someone's backyard. In 2013, a meteor exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia. It was about 65 feet wide and released a tremendous amount of energy. The shockwave shattered windows and injured over 1,500 people, but it didn't leave a crater because it exploded in the air. Larger meteorites are much rarer, but they pose a much greater threat. A meteorite just a few hundred feet wide could destroy a city. It would create a massive explosion, unleashing the power of thousands of atomic bombs. Even bigger meteorites, miles in diameter, could cause global devastation. They could trigger massive earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis. The dust and debris ejected into the atmosphere could block out the sun, causing a global cooling effect, similar to a nuclear winter. 5. Shields up, defending our planet. The good news is that scientists are working hard to protect us from dangerous meteorites. We have telescopes scanning the skies looking for potential threats, and we're developing technologies to deflect or destroy meteorites before they can reach Earth. It's like having a planetary defense system straight out of a science fiction movie. But this is real science, and it's crucial for the safety of our planet. 6. Hunting for hazards, spotting the threats. The first step in planetary defense is finding the dangerous rocks. Astronomers use powerful telescopes to scan the night sky. They're looking for anything that moves in a way that suggests it's orbiting the sun. When they find a potential threat, they track its movement carefully. This helps them determine its size, speed, and trajectory. With enough warning, we can take action to deflect it. 7. Cosmic billiards, nudging asteroids away. So, how do you stop a giant space rock from hitting Earth? One idea is to give it a gentle nudge, just enough to change its course. We could use a spacecraft to impact the asteroid, or even use gravity to slowly tug it off course. It's kind of like playing cosmic billiards, but with much higher stakes. 8. The future of planetary defense. Planetary defense is a global effort. Scientists and engineers from around the world are working together to develop new technologies and strategies. As we continue to explore space, we'll learn even more about asteroids and how to protect our planet from them. It's an exciting and important field of study, with the potential to save humanity from a cosmic catastrophe. 9. Our place in the universe. Looking up at the night sky, it's easy to feel small and insignificant. But we have the power to understand the universe and protect our planet from harm. The study of meteorites and planetary defense reminds us of our place in the cosmos. We are part of something much larger than ourselves, and we have a responsibility to protect our home planet. 10. Keep looking up. So the next time you see a shooting star, remember that it's a piece of space debris burning up in our atmosphere. And be thankful that scientists are working hard to keep us safe from the bigger threats out there. Keep looking up, be curious, and never stop exploring the wonders of the universe.